Benefits for MEMS for the coal mine that I work for, there are the initial tire inflation process, the constant monitoring of the tires, and along with the constant monitoring of the tires is the capability of saving a tire from premature failure. The ease of the installation is there is a slit built into the tire. There is a Velcro strap that goes through that slit. The Velcro strap actually goes onto the MEMS sensor and holds it into place. For inspecting tires, there's the ease with the PDA that MEMS has, and the safety aspect with you're not actually climbing into the tire or onto the truck to check the tire pressures and temperatures. The PDA is almost self-explanatory. You're able to check your truck as it's sitting, and it'll show you all positions, temperature, recommended pressure, and actually your target PSI. Our relationship with Bighorn Tire, myself and Michelin, is outstanding. The support is there when you need it for the MEMS system. Comparison between other systems, I think MEMS has them beat by far. The ease of the installation, user-friendly aspect. I haven't seen a system that actually compares to the MEMS.